Hello friends, it's been pretty cold over the last week or so. It rarely gets down into the 20s here in central North Carolina, but the other night it got down to 4, then it was 15, then it was 18. It's quite a bit warmer today. I think it's probably 38, 40 degrees right now. We're going to head up to Hanging Rock State Park and check out the waterfalls and see what they look like. Come on and go with us. We're headed to the lower Cascades through the woods here, about 4/10 of a mile. This is relatively an easy hike until we get to some steep stairs. Then it'll be a little bit more strenuous. We're going to head back up and check out a few more falls. This is the Indian Creek Trail that starts at the Visitor Center parking lot. This trail will go all the way to the Dan River following Indian Creek, but we're just going to go to the falls today and come back. That's Hanging Rock to the east. We've made it to Hidden Falls. I'll show you why they call it Hidden Falls in just a second. This is the hidden part of the falls that you can't see from the trail. You have to hike in from a different direction to the top of the waterfall. We're going to head down to the Window Falls now. We're going to head down to the upper Cascades Falls now. This trail starts at the opposite end of the Visitor Center parking lot, but we're going to make a stop at the Rock Garden first. We're almost to the falls. And there it is. We're going to head back up and take a look at the lake and see what it looks like. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel and watch my other videos. And until next time, so long.